What's up guys, it's again Amy. Welcome to look up my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back to do a quick, like really simple natural makeup look tutorial. Not really a lot, just a simple natural makeup look tutorial. I've already done my eyebrow and I used the Amy brow pencil, you guys know, in 09, and I've already primed my face with the City Color face primer. So now that is done, let's jump into the eyes. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution concealer in C14 to prime my eyes, just because I'm going for a really natural makeup look. Nothing really glam today. I'm going out. I want something really simple. Just going to take my sponge and then blend it. I'm gonna bring it all the way down to my eyes, like here. This is just a simple look. It is simple. I'm going to take the C13. I'm gonna use this to like put it a little bit, because the C14 is a little bit dark. It's a little bit darker. Yeah. So now that is done, I'm going to take my LA Girl setting powder mixed with the Black Opera setting powder. I'm going to use that to set so that it doesn't crease. I'm going to bring it all the way up to my eyebrow. Just set first. I'm going to set that. Set the eyes. Okay, now we've set the eyes. I'm going to take my Be Creative foundation 009. I'm going to use that all over my face, so I'm going to pump it. I'm almost out of this foundation. Like, I have to go to the city and pick up some more, but for right now I don't really have time to go to the city, because where I live they don't sell it, so I have to like travel all the way to the city. I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. Out of all my foundation that I have, the Be Creative foundation is like my favorite. It's like my favorite shade. I really like this foundation. Like, I always go back and pick it up whenever it's finished. I always go back to the store and pick it up because I just like the way it feels. I like the way it feels on my skin as well. So we're just gonna blend. Blend, 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 blend. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more on my problem areas that's around my mouth. This is a very quick and easy makeup look. I want to go out, but I don't really want to go out with like a bare face. So I thought, you know what, let me just do something simple. Something really simple. Okay, I have to go back and touch my eyebrows because they're just out of place right now. So you guys see, after I'm done, I'm going to take the C13. I'm going to use this to highlight just a little bit so that my face kind of look a little bit awake. I don't look like I just wake up from sleep. Then I take the sponge and then blend everything. My forehead. I don't really like to highlight my forehead. I don't know why. I don't have a big forehead, but I just don't like to highlight my forehead. So now I'm going to take that same powder. I'm going to use this to set. I'm going to use this to set everywhere I have put that powder. Just set, and set. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this brush, and I'm going to take this Morphe 35P palette. I'm going to take this brown and I'm going to put it all over my eyes, like this brown that I normally use to transition. I'm going to take that and I'm going to use that to wipe the excess powder and just put it like all over my eyes. So now that I've done that, I'm going to put this aside. I'm going in back. I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution highlighter, this loose one. I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. Just because I'm not using any eyeshadow, any bright colors. This is a little bit too dark. You can't actually see it. I'm going to take my actual highlighter. This is the one I'm using. And I'm going to put that on top because the Makeup Revolution highlighter is just as dark as my skin tone. Like you can't really see it whenever I use it. And then I'm going in back with this brush. I'm just gonna like try to soften the hash line between the highlighter and my eyes. So now that is done, I don't need to go in. And now I'm going to take my LA Girl contour palette. I'm going to contour just a little bit because after applying everything, the foundation, my face kind of lost its natural shape. So just gonna like contour a little bit to get that back. I guess that is okay. I'm not going to put any blush. I'm going to take this Black Opera setting powder. This is in Deep. And I'm just gonna set my face and wipe everything off. So now that I've done my eyeliner, I'm just going to wipe this off. So I'm going to take these Black Opera lip liner. This is in Black Plum. I'm gonna use this to line my lip. So now I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution lip gloss and I'm going to apply on top. So now we're moving to my favorite part, highlighter. I'm going to use this highlighter and I'm going to take my brush. I'm just gonna highlight, it's gonna glow. So this is the finished result. It's a really simple natural makeup look tutorial. This is like whenever I'm having like an appointment and I want to go somewhere and I just want to have something really quick and I just want my face to look a little bit cuter, I just go for this. This is like my favorite go-to look. My eyebrow, you guys can see the highlighter is popping, just an eyeliner. I don't have a lot on my eyes. Everything is just simple, just a simple natural makeup look tutorial. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook like page. This is your girl Amy. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt, en vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal en op mijn Facebook pagina. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. This is your girl Amy. Doeg! Bye!